Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to select multiple elements in Canva, a super useful trick that can make your design process much faster and smoother. If you've ever wanted to move or resize several things at once, like text boxes, images, or shapes, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First, open up your Canva project, the one where you already have your design elements placed. Maybe you've got a few text boxes, some icons, or a couple of photos scattered around your canvas. Now you want to adjust them all together to keep everything nicely aligned. This is where selecting multiple elements comes in handy. On your Canva workspace, move your cursor to one corner of the area that contains the elements you'd like to select. Click and hold down your left mouse button, or if you're on a laptop, press and hold your primary click on the trackpad. Now drag your mouse across the canvas. As you drag, you'll see a faint, translucent box forming. That's your selection box. Anything inside that box will be selected together. Once all your desired elements are enclosed, release your mouse button. And just like that, you've selected multiple elements in a single swoop. But what if your elements are scattered and you don't want to select everything in between? No problem. Canva also lets you select items individually, even if they're far apart. Simply hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then click each element you want to include. You'll notice each one gets highlighted, meaning they're now part of your selection group. This method is great when you only need to move or resize specific parts of your design without disturbing others. Once you've got all your elements selected, Canva gives you several ways to work with them as a group. You can move them together by dragging any one of the items, or use your arrow keys for small, precise movements. You can also align or resize them at the same time, keeping your layout neat and consistent. It's a huge time saver and helps maintain balance across your design, so you can focus more on creativity and less on repetitive adjustments. And that's it! Now you know how to select multiple elements in Canva using both the drag and select and shift-click methods. With just a few quick clicks, you'll be managing and editing your designs more efficiently than ever before. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Canva tips, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!